we're going to read another book on Epic called Playtime for Puppy. Puppy likes to run and jump. Puppy likes to play all day. It's not time to play, says Dad. It's time to eat. I'm done eating. Is it time to play now? Asked Puppy. No, it's time to take a nap, says Dad. I'm done napping. Is it time to play now? Puppy asked. No, it's time to pick up, says Daddy. I'm done picking up. Is it time to play now? Asked Puppy. Yes. Now it's time to play, says Dad. Woof, 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 woof. And that's the end of Playtime for Puppy, guys. Don't forget to like, share,